Hi everyone, it's Penny. Welcome back to Silly Songs and Stories with me, Miss Penny. And the only two puppets you need today are your two hands. Today I'm going to do several versions of Two Little Blackbirds, and it's good to learn with opposites. And I watch this by watching other librarians. Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack, one named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. Two little blackbirds sitting in the sky. One named Low and one named High. Fly away, Low. Fly away, High. Come back, Low. Come back, High. Two little blackbirds sitting on a pole. One is fast and one is slow. Fly away fast, fly away slow. Come back fast, come back slow. There you are. Two little blackbirds sitting on a gate. One named Early and one named Late. Fly away early, fly away late. Come back early, come back late. Come back late. There you are. Two little blackbirds sitting on the ice. One was mean, and one was, hi, nice, I'm so nice. Fly away, mean. Fly away, nice, la 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 la. Come back, mean. Come back, nice, woohoo! Two little blackbirds sitting on a lily. One was serious and one was super silly. Fly away, serious. All right, if I have to. Fly away, silly. Come back, serious. I'm coming back. Come back, silly. Two little blackbirds sitting in a car. One was near and one was far. Fly away near, fly away far. Come back near, come back far. Two little blackbirds sitting on a cloud. One was quiet, the other one was loud. Fly away quiet, fly away loud, fly away loud. Come back quiet, quiet. Come back loud. And then we'll end it with the original. Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack, one named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. I hope you enjoyed all the new versions of Two Little Blackbirds. Have a great day, and we'll see you again on Silly Songs and Stories with Miss Penny.